If you're new to DIY pest control, here's the good news: you can do this. Tired of seeing ants on the counter or spiders in the corner and not knowing what to do? You're not alone. Most people just grab the nearest spray and hope for the best. But there's a smarter way. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the two most effective DIY strategies to keep your home pest-free without wasting money or putting your family at risk. Let's start simple, the natural approach. For everyday defense, a homemade spray using water, peppermint oil, and a little dish soap can go a long way. It's safe for kids and pets, smells great, and makes your home way less inviting to ants, spiders, and more. Just spray it along baseboards, windows, under sinks, anywhere bugs try to sneak in. But if things have already gotten out of hand, like roaches, carpenter ants, or worse, you may need something stronger. That's where chemical methods come in. Products with ingredients like bifenthrin are used by the pros for a reason. Pests walk through it, carry it home, and the whole colony goes down. Just remember, safety is non-negotiable. Always wear gloves, read the label, and spray only in targeted areas, never on surfaces where people eat or hang out. So which should you use? Start with natural methods if the problem's small or you're just keeping bugs out. Save the chemical stuff for serious infestations. And if nothing works, that's when it's time to call in the pros. DIY pest control doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right tools and a little know-how, you've got this.